Guys, Zach is back.
Hey guys.
What's up, dude?
Nothing much, just ready to make a good sandwich.
So he calls me, right? And he's like, yeah, I got to come back on the show. I got this BLT I want to do. I'm like, BLT. Then he started talking about it. I'm like, BLT, right? And then you're doing what else?
Some home fries and a strawberry shake.
Who does that? I do like one thing at a time. He's doing the whole meal. So I'm going to turn it over to you. Is that cool?
Yeah.
All right, guys. I'm so excited.
So we're going to start out with the sandwich, and we got some nice sourdough bread, some iceberg lettuce, tomatoes on the vine, some thick-cut applewood smoked bacon right here, 3 russet potatoes, just a little bit of brown sugar, and some spicy pickles. All right, so the first thing you're going to want to do is just get a medium-sized baking tray and go ahead and lay out your bacon. And then you're going to want to take your brown sugar and just sprinkle some of this across every piece of bacon. And then once you get the brown sugar on all of it, you're just going to rub it in. And then you're going to want to do the same exact thing on the other side. All right, so next you want to get your cast iron pan to about medium-high heat. And then you're going to put your bacon in one by one. And we're going to try and get 3 pieces in here to start off with. These new knives, V-Bells that Jack had, I've really been looking forward to trying them out. And then we're going to go ahead and de-stem these tomatoes. We can take the green part off later. Just gonna. That's a nice knife. So now we're just going to take some pink Himalayan salt and season these tomatoes just a little bit. Alright, so now we're going to take our lettuce and cut off this part right here. And then you're going to want to cut it in half. And then what you want to do is you want to cut it, but not all the way back, because we're going to shred this lettuce. Get some nice shreds going on. So next we're going to cut our potatoes. You want to do this one at a time. We're going to get a cross cut on them. So we're going to cut it like this, all the way through until you get about 6, 8 slices. And then you want to cut it like this. Alright, and so once you get your home fries cut, you're going to want to use the same brown sugar bacon grease. And then you're just going to put these potatoes right in there. Alright, and you're going to season this with some salt and some pepper.
It's browning so fast. Look at it. Look at that right there. That looks perfect, dude.
So you want to cook these to where they're crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. And you're going to have to pull one out occasionally, cut it in half, and just try it so you can make sure it's perfect. So you want to toast the bread in the same grease that we've been using the whole video, but you want to do it low and slow so it doesn't burn. And so this is how I like my bread to be toasted. But you guys can do it lighter or darker, however you want to. Now we're just going to flip. Alright, so now once you get your bread toasted, you're going to grab your mayo, and you're going to do both sides. You're going to put your shredded lettuce on here. You want to be generous with it so it's a nice layer so the bread doesn't get soaking wet from the tomatoes. And then next you want to put your tomato on. Now next you're going to do your bacon. You're going to do 3 across this way. And you're going to do 3 across the other way. If you're going to make a BLT, you can't just put tiny numbers of bacon on there. If you're going to do it, you got to go big or go home. And next we're going to put on our pickles. Just put them on however many you want. We'll do 4 for this case. And I think the pickles should be used because of the way we glazed our bacon and the way it makes the whole sandwich go together. And especially these hot pickles, they're not even spicy. They just add a really great flavor. And this is Zach's Kickbutt BLT.
Do you just bury your face in the middle?
No, I'm an edge kind of guy.
Are you an edge guy?
Yeah, I'm an edge guy.
All right, I'll be an edge guy.
All right, let's do it.
Wow. All right.
I'm going to go for another one.
We're going to finish this up. Then we're going to part 2, the milkshake.
All right, so we've got strawberry and blueberry mix. We've got some Yoplait strawberry yogurt, just some normal vanilla bean ice cream, some strawberry True Moo milk, and some Ready Whip. right, so the first thing you're going to do is put the yogurt in the blender. All right, so now we're going to put in our strawberries and our blueberries. The next thing you're going to do is put in your strawberry milk. All right, now you're just going to put in 3 big spoonfuls of your ice cream. If you have a scoop, that's fine. You can do whatever spoon or scoop you have. Just 3 nice size ones. You don't want to be gentle with this. You got to be generous, because if you're making a milkshake, it's pretty much like an ice cream shake, but it's fine. And now we're going to blend it. All right, and I'm not happy with the thickness, so I'm going to put another scoop of ice cream in here. And we're going to do a little bit lower this time, just so we can get the thickness and the chunkiness of that ice cream. All right, now for me, this consistency is perfect, but if you want it thicker, then just don't even worry about putting in the strawberry milk. If you want it more liquidy, then just put in less ice cream, put in less yogurt. And now we're just going to whip cream them. Do as much as you want. You want to save 2 of your strawberries and put this on right there as a nice little garnish.
And there it is, guys. Beautiful. That's Zach's Kickbutt BLTs with those home fries that are amazing and beautiful strawberry blueberry milkshakes. Dude, you did an amazing job.
Thank you.
So, dude, what brought this on? What made you create this?
Well, when I was little, every Wednesday before church, my grandma and I would go to this place in downtown Nashville called the Elliston's Place. And we would always get a strawberry milk and a BLT and some home fries. And I really miss that experience. And so I wanted to recreate this so I can have it more often.
Awesome. Are we ready to try those milkshakes?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
That's good.
Whoa, my glands are taking off. Guys, so simple. Do it with your kids. This is a great kids meal. I love this. Zach, will you come back for more, please?
I will.
All right, man. Thank you, my friend.
Yes, thank you.
See you later, guys.
Bye.